Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I am showing you a sneak peek of tomorrow's Saturday, June 22nd, 4 p.m. This is a sneak peek of the Create Along. It is a pre-recorded video, and this is the end result of one of the pieces that you'll see me work on. And the struggle is real, guys. You'll see what I'm talking about. Join me 4 p.m. tomorrow, or at least click play. See that? Beautiful. I called this a success. I don't know if I picked this one up yet. I've been playing with these all afternoon. Beautiful. I call this a success. And another beauty. Very, very nice. They are amazing. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. And hopefully you'll click play tomorrow, 4 p.m. See you then. Bye.